Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Nano Banana to create or generate a picture, and here I will also give you the three things that you can do with this Nano Banana. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I will access this Nano Banana AI via Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your email guys. And after the login process, then you can see the homepage of this Google AI Studio, and this is the Nano Banana that will help us to generate a picture or create or even the photo editing guys. Well, you can simply click this try Nano Banana, and this will be the first or example of this prompt. But don't worry because you can delete it. And for the first time, I would like to upload the picture. For example, I will choose this one. And I will start to type the prompt. For example, the first thing you can do is you can change the character. And for example, I want that this guy to be changed to be, for example, a tiger. Change the guy to be a tiger, and also the tiger is needing the dough to make some donuts. And you can click enter and kindly wait for this Nano Banana to edit or change these guys into the tiger. And as you can see that the generation process usually take a really short time. Oh, okay. You will only have to wait for 30 seconds, and this will be the picture guys. So as you can see, the picture is changed perfectly by this tiger. And after changing the character, you can also adding the element into this picture. And for example, I want that this add more that this picture to add more tiger to knit the dough. Add one more tiger to knit the dough beside the previous tiger, and enter or click run over here, and kindly wait for this Nano Banana AI to generate the new picture. And don't worry guys, because you can also refine the every single prompt into this section. When you direct your cursor into this prompt, you can simply click this edit, and after that you can add more or do the another prompt, and so the picture or the result here will be changed into the another version or the another picture following the newest or the latest prompt that you have just generated. And after I add this element, so as you can see there are two tigers that are or those are kneading the dough into this section. And the third thing that you can do is you can remove the unnecessary object. And for example, I will try to type the prompt. Please remove the two bowls. Simply like that, and you can click run. and kindly wait for the process. And while waiting for this Gemini, this Nano Banana AI to create the another picture or generate another picture, please kindly also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run really well and fast. And as you can see that the position of this tiger, this donut, this dough is still the same, but the bowl, these two bowls is already gone. And the picture is still precise. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and I will tell you the another thing that you can do with Nano Banana AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.